Remember, it's hunting, it's not catching. My name is Jose Martinez. I am a retired Army veteran, combat wounded. I was hurt in Afghanistan in 2012. My question to all my sergeants and everything was, who's the next unit that's deploying? And ended up deploying, I think November 30th, 2011. And in March 3rd of 2012, my life changed. So I put my hands into God and said, guide me wherever you need me to go. After going on the mission, we were told that it should be simple. All you need to do is take care of civilians that are building a road, and you guys know what to do. Ended up stepping on a 60-pound IED. Instantly lost my right leg. My left leg was attached from the knee below, but snapped off. And my right arm was the same. I had it complete, but it was snapped off as well. I remember all my boys jumping on top of me instantly, closing me up as best as they could. And I remember them putting me in the helicopter. And when I was on there, they told me I died 3 times. I woke up 10 days later in Walter Reed, Bethesda stateside. My unit was told that I was dead, and it was their fault. And that's when I started living my life.
The Cross the Divide team, every year we go through a bunch of names of people that we talk with, and we make a selection. And this year, when we were talking about, Jose Martinez was the one that stood out above all the rest. Jose's a triple amputee and just an all-around amazing human being. Gotten to know him over the past couple months and just the last few days being with him. I mean, I can honestly say now that he was the right choice for this first bull hunt for Cross the Divide.
I mean, I guess that's why we all came along, because we knew it would take time, effort, and plenty of help to do it. So we all pitched in, took our opportunities to help, and we did what we needed to do to get it done. No, I carried my brothers wherever. Wouldn't hesitate, knew we had to do it, and just got the job done.
So the hunt this week with Jose is honestly one of the most difficult hunts we've ever had. We've done, pretty much 100 elk hunts over the last 5 years, and this was by far the most challenging. We had everything stacked against us this weekend, just between the mobility of Jose, but also the wind, the weather, the elk.
This hunt that we had here, we thought we were going to score the first day, and unfortunately it didn't go that way.
Like everybody else.
gonna start off by saying this isn't my first bull I've ever missed. My anxiety got the best out of me after I missed that elk. I felt like I failed my brothers around me. I felt like I failed everybody, to be honest with you. There's a lot of pressure for me to be able to provide for my family, but not only that, I want to be successful for the people around me. And for a very, very, very short period of time, and what I mean by it's like 2 or 3 minutes, until they told me, hey, it happens, it's part of it, you know. They just made me feel secure in knowing that mistakes can happen.
It was such a tough hunt, you know, all the way through it. Nothing ever went right up until the last minute, you know. So that was perfect.
Meant a lot to him, you know. You know what he's been through, the relationships. I know he enjoys everybody's company and just always has an awesome attitude.
Jose is, I mean, he's the kind of guy, I mean, you get to know him, you have such respect for him. I mean, but the attitude that he has, I mean, you've seen him, he has this smile on his face that, I mean, it just lightens the room. He's just one of the finest people I've ever met.
He never thought he was able to do that kind of thing again. And he thought he was confined with the limits of his body, but that's not the case. It's what's up in his mind that sets him apart. Looking at what he's done, he's an amazing guy.